Okay, so welcome to our Towers of Hanoi activity, which is a great activity for doing maths during the lockdown. And you can use different things you can find at home. Here I'm using different size fruit tins. You could use some toys, maybe like Lego or that, different size boxes, books. And even if you didn't have things that were different size, you could use the same size items, but maybe number them 1 down to 5. So the aim of the Towers of Hanoi is to move the 5 items over to the 3rd position like so. But of course you cannot do it like that. That's not very much of a challenge. So there's some rules that we have to obey. A move consists of taking an item and placing it on another position. And then also you cannot put a larger item on top of a smaller item. You can only put a smaller one on top of a larger one. So that makes what makes it quite interesting. Now it can just play it as a game, or we can go and look at some of the interesting maths behind it and where it can lead us. It's also very useful training for problem solving strategies. So let's get going. So we take our first one. Now I've moved 3 over to here. This allows me to put the second last one onto the free space. And now I want to move these 3 up here, and this will give us the opportunity to move the biggest one down here and build up on that again. Now we're halfway through. We've the largest one here and the other 4 ready to move across. So now we need to move these 3 to here to be able to move this one to there. Now we move this over here, and we simply have to move these 3 up on top of it now. Now, that's the Towers of Hanoi solved.